And now, moving on from Ladakh, we have a solo performance here. And you see the gentleman who's standing beside me. His name is Tenzin Sangpo, and he has been a music passionate from the age 6, isn't it? When he was in 12th standard, he released his first album, successful album, and then onwards, it was of course a rolling story for him. Today, he is present amongst us for a very, very strong reason, and I feel he's very fortunate that he has got to this stage to be in front of His Holiness. He is here to present a release that he has recently made, and it is purely dedicated to His Holiness, the Gyalwang Drukpa, and he wants to present in person to him and sing for His Holiness. Lucky soul you are.
정말로 로서가 뜻들에
Can we all sway hands together?
Drukpa
Chochena.
Phukjeche, Tenzin Sangpo, your beautiful composition touched our hearts, and I think now he should get a, merit for this. Your Holiness, we would take your permission. He would like to offer you one copy of his release. This is Tenzin Sangpo, who's touched our heart with a melodious composition offering, and he's being blessed by His Holiness. Tenzin Sangpo, I assure you, humongous prosperity for sure. You're blessed. Thank you so much.